Hello everyone, welcome back to Neural Edge. Today, in AI Class 8, we will learn about a very interesting topic, artificial intelligence in daily life. Many people think AI is only used in robots or advanced machines, but the truth is that AI is already part of our daily routine. From the moment we wake up until we sleep, AI helps us in many ways. For example, when you unlock your phone using face recognition, AI is working. Your mobile camera scans your face and compares it with saved data. In less than 1 second, it decides if you are the real owner. This technology uses pattern recognition. Another example is voice assistants, like Google Assistant. When you say, "What is the weather today?" the assistant first listens to your voice. Then AI converts your speech into text. After that, it understands your question and gives an answer. This all happens in seconds. AI is also used in maps. When you open Google Maps, it tells you which road has traffic and which road is faster. But how does it know? AI collects data from thousands of users and predicts traffic conditions. This helps save time. AI is also working inside social media. When you open YouTube, you see recommended videos. These videos are not random. AI studies what you watch, how long you watch, what you like, what you skip. Then it suggests videos based on your interest. Shopping apps also use AI. If you search for shoes once, later many shoe ads appear. This happens because AI remembers your interest. Online stores use this system to increase sales. Banks also use AI. AI helps detect unusual transactions. If someone suddenly uses your card in another city, AI can detect suspicious activity. Hospitals use AI too. Some AI systems help doctors analyze reports faster. Education is changing because of AI. Students now use AI tools to understand difficult topics quickly. But one important thing is, AI gives support, but human thinking is still necessary. AI cannot replace human emotions, creativity, and wisdom completely. That is why students must learn AI now. The future belongs to those who understand technology. In our next class, we will learn machine learning basics. Thank you for watching Neural Edge.